You're lucky you can see it and not smell it. As you can see, there's another dog that needs help, and unfortunately, I see dogs that need help pretty much every day. And in general, I just ignore them because you can't help everyone. But this dog is kind of past the point of no return, in the sense that if it doesn't get help right away, it's going to die. It's got a couple of days left to live. I think it's pretty much, at this point, it's not even trying to find food. It's just trying to find somewhere where it can relax and be left alone to die. And it just went in here. I don't know what's... I'm actually waiting for the guy from Animals Taiwan right now. We're going to help that other dog that I just videotaped earlier on today. So I was just thinking to myself, it's kind of interesting how you can compare that dog's life to my dog's life. This is my dog's life. Every day I ride the scooter in the park and they run along beside me like this dog. That's their life. They lounge around him. I'm going to crash here. Hold on. It's really difficult. I got crap suspension on this scooter. The shocks are blown. And then I'm going over wet mud. Bumpy wet mud with one hand. I've crashed a few times doing it. But it's okay. I usually am I've crashed a couple times on purpose doing it. I've gotten up to high speeds and then ridden onto the mud like this here and with the water there. And then once I hit it, if the mud's soft enough, my front tire just turns and then I just pretty much leap off the scooter as it comes crashing sideways. But it's not the end of the world. Alright, Animals Taiwan is here to save the day, as usual. So, be careful not to scratch the car.
Yeah, I'll leave it here. I'm hoping this won't be too tricky.
Hi, Cujo. Hi, Cujo. My own dog. This was also a stray. It was a stray with a broken leg. Actually, if you check my YouTube and you go to the very first page of YouTube, which would be page 26 of my videos, the very first video I ever shot was of this dog on my roof with a broken leg and completely ignoring me. And let's watch the Animals Taiwan guy get himself stuck.
Hello. Hello. Oh man, it's got a broken jaw.
A broken jaw?
Looks like it. Oh jeez.
You're not wearing any underwear today, Sean?
I am. It's low carb. Are you going to bite me? Are you going to bite me? I'll try and lift you up. He's not going to bite. Stinks. The smell is, smells like scabies.
Isn't scabies something that little girls say little boys have?
Yeah.
I don't even know what skin disease. Oh, you have it? Oh my goodness.
This is the most comfortable way for me to...
Oh, its jaw is broken. It's wagging its tail!
What a mess.
What a... It's happy. It's wagging its tail.
Well, sometimes they wag their tail out of stress. It's not always a sign of happiness. Come on, you. This is your little step to welcome.
Oh yeah, that smell is pretty bad.
We got some work to do on you. We got some work to do.
It's okay.
You get comfy. Oh, poor guy. That's a pretty nasty injury to the leg, but I'm guessing the leg can be saved. But if he'd waited much longer, if that got too badly infected, the leg swells up so bad, you'll so much damage done that we have to